Welcome to Investor Web, the channel designed to equip you with the knowledge to make your entrepreneurial dreams come true. We're here to guide you through the vast landscape of opportunities, focusing on ventures that are not just profitable, but also align with your passion and skills. Today we're delving into a business avenue that combines creativity with technology, the ebook business. In our digital age, ebooks have become a popular choice for readers worldwide. They are convenient, accessible, and eco-friendly. This popularity presents a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs like you. But how do you tap into this market? How do you go from a blank page to a profitable ebook? Fear not, because that's exactly what we're here for. We're about to embark on a journey, breaking down the process into manageable steps, providing you with practical tips and insights. Stay tuned as today we dive into the steps to create a profitable ebook business. Before we delve into the steps, it's crucial to understand what an ebook business entails. Essentially, an ebook business involves creating and selling digital books online. These digital books or ebooks are read on electronic devices such as tablets, e-readers, or even smartphones. The beauty of an ebook business is its potential for high profitability. With minimal overhead costs and the ability to reach a global audience, the margins can be quite impressive. Plus, with the digital nature of ebooks, you're not limited by physical inventory or distribution constraints, making scalability a breeze. This business model also offers an incredible opportunity to share your knowledge or passion with the world. Whether your expertise lies in cooking, finance, fitness, or any other field, there's likely an audience eager to learn from your ebook. Having understood what an ebook business is, let's explore the steps to create one. The first step to creating a profitable ebook business is identifying your niche. A niche, in essence, is the specific area or topic your ebook will focus on. It's the beating heart of your ebook business, but how do you go about choosing this all-important niche? First, consider your passions and areas of expertise. What topics can you talk about for hours on end? Which subjects make your heart sing? When you choose a niche you're passionate about, creating content for your ebook becomes less of a chore and more of an exciting adventure. Second, your chosen niche should have a significant audience. It's all well and good to be passionate about a topic, but if there's no audience for it, your ebook business won't be profitable. So combine your passion with market demand. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is conducting market research. Market research is the backbone of any successful business. It's the compass that guides your journey, the map that charts your course. In the case of creating a profitable ebook business, market research is the tool that helps you understand your readers, their needs and wants, and how to make your ebook resonate with them. So how do you conduct effective market research? First, it's crucial to identify your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests, their age group, their professions, their hobbies? This information will help you understand the kind of content they are likely to consume and thus guide you in creating an ebook that they will find valuable. Next, assess the competition. What are other authors in your niche doing? What are their best-selling ebooks? This is not to mimic their work, but to understand the existing market trends, what works and what doesn't. This will give you a clear picture of the gap in the market that your ebook can fill. Online platforms such as social media, online forums, and blogs are goldmines for market research. They provide real-time feedback and insights into what your target audience is talking about, their pain points, and their desires. This can be invaluable in shaping your ebook to address these needs and wants. Surveys and questionnaires can also be a great way to gather information. You can ask potential readers about their reading habits, their favorite genres, and what they feel is lacking in the ebooks they've read. This direct feedback can guide you in creating an ebook that provides a unique and satisfying reading experience. Lastly, always keep an eye on the market trends. The ebook industry, like any other, is constantly evolving. Staying updated with the latest trends can help you adapt your ebook to suit the changing preferences of your readers. Remember, market research is not a one-time activity. It's a continuous process that keeps you connected with your audience and the market. It's like a conversation that helps you understand your readers better, and in turn allows you to create ebooks that they will love and value. With market research completed, we can now move on to creating the ebook. Creating the ebook is where your ideas come to life. It's the stage where you take all your thoughts, research, and insights and craft them into a tangible product. Let's dive into this process a little deeper. The first part of creating an ebook is, of course, writing it. The writing process is crucial, and it's where you'll spend most of your time. Remember, you're not just writing to fill pages, you're writing to provide value to your readers. So make sure your content is engaging, informative, and valuable. Next, you'll want to proofread your ebook. This is a step that you should never overlook. No matter how great your content is, if it's riddled with spelling mistakes and grammatical errors, it will lose its credibility. So take your time with this step. Read and reread your ebook, correct any errors, and ensure that everything flows smoothly. You may also want to consider hiring a professional proofreader to ensure that your ebook is as polished as possible. Now onto the design aspect. The design of your ebook is just as important as the content. This includes the layout of the pages, the fonts you choose, and most importantly, the cover of your ebook. As the saying goes, don't judge a book by its cover, but let's be honest, most of us do. So make sure your cover is eye-catching and professional. It should give potential readers a glimpse into what your ebook is about. Finally, it's important to remember that quality is key. Your ebook represents you and your brand. If it's poorly written or badly designed, it reflects poorly on you. So take your time, do your best, and create something that you're proud of. After creating your ebook, the next step is promoting it, but we'll delve into that in the next part of this series, so stay tuned. Promotion is key to getting your ebook into the hands of readers. Now, let's dive into the various strategies you can employ to promote your ebook. One of the most effective methods is social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn offer a direct line of communication to your potential readers. These platforms allow you to create engaging content that highlights the value of your ebook. You can share snippets, create intriguing posts, or even host live sessions to discuss the themes of your ebook. The idea is to generate interest and create a buzz around your product. Next up is email marketing. It might seem a bit old school, but don't underestimate its power. If you have an existing list of contacts, fantastic. If not, start building one. Offer something valuable in return for their email address, like a free chapter of your ebook or a related short guide. Once you've built a substantial list, you can send out regular newsletters, providing updates about your ebook and other related content. Remember to keep these emails engaging and valuable. The goal is to nurture your relationship with your audience, not to spam them. Last, but certainly not least, is influencer partnerships. Influencers have a massive following and a strong influence on their audience's purchasing decisions. Find influencers who align with your ebook's theme and propose a partnership. This could be in the form of sponsored posts, giveaways, or even a simple shout-out. This strategy can significantly increase your ebook's visibility and credibility. All of these strategies combined can create a powerful promotional campaign. However, always remember to tailor your approach to your specific audience. What works for one demographic might not work for another. So always keep your audience's preferences, habits, and interests in mind when formulating your promotional strategy. Promotion is not a one-time event, it's a continuous process. It requires consistency, creativity, and adaptability, but with the right mix of strategies, your ebook can reach the right audience, generate interest, and ultimately drive sales. Once your ebook is well promoted, it's time to sell. Now that you know the steps to create a profitable ebook business, it's time to take action. This journey, like any other entrepreneurial venture, begins with a vision, a clear understanding of your niche. Remember, the more unique and targeted your niche, the better your chances of standing out in the crowded ebook marketplace. The next step is conducting market research. This isn't a mere formality, but a crucial aspect of your business plan. It provides you with valuable insights into your target audience, their needs and preferences, and the existing competition. Creating your ebook is where your creativity shines. It's about pouring your knowledge, experiences, and passion into words that resonate with your readers. Make it engaging, enlightening, and most importantly, valuable. And finally, promoting your ebook, which is all about visibility. Use every tool at your disposal, from social media to email marketing, to reach your target audience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Investor Web for more insightful content on entrepreneurship.